Hello, I'm John Bocan with the Geological and Economic Survey. I'm just going to quickly highlight some of our ongoing, current, and future work. Please forgive me, it's a bit scripted, but I've got a lot to tell you within 5 minutes' time. Many of our ongoing projects continue to keep us busy. For example, we all know the importance of Marcellus shale within our state. Our geologists continue to study and refine our understanding of Marcellus geology. We update our maps and data at least twice a year. As for other geology, although our state has been geologically mapped in the past, we continue to strive for better detailed maps. For this year, we are adding 12 1 to 24,000 scale, 7.5-minute quadrangle geological maps. Thanks to a 3-year joint effort with the National Park Service and Concord University, a 10-quad composite map of southern West Virginia is planned. We are also working on 2 quads via the WVGIS State Map Project. Finished maps and data are available or will be available for purchase from the survey. We are also involved in the Broadband Mapping Project, a 5-year cooperative effort with NTIA, our state GIS coordinator, the Department of Commerce, and the Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. We recently just completed round 5 on March 31st of this year with 24 broadband providers responding. Our maps show total broadband provider, DSL, cable, and wireless coverages, as well as areas with no broadband coverage within the state. Some of our ongoing efforts deal with the updating and delivery of massive amounts of data. For instance, our Oil and Gas Pipeline Plus portal has access to almost 150,000 wells. Our MIDS coal database contains over 44,000 mine map images and information on almost 10,000 underground mines. Since their development and installation over the past several years, the data portals of Pipeline Plus and MIDS continue to be very popular and have heavy usage in which data can be accessed through queries on a web page or through an interactive map. In 2011, for instance, the main page of Pipeline Plus had over 1 million views, and the main page of MIDS had almost 190,000 views. The accompanying interactive maps for each in 2011 had over 580,000 views for WVOG, that's West Virginia Oil and Gas, and over 120 views for the All Coal map. Now, these 2 interactive maps are most popular. However, coal data can be accessed via any of our other 60-plus interactive coal bed maps. For recent work, in the past couple of years, West Virginia has been in the news for being a potential hotspot, not referring to these little storefront places that are around the corner. These are not that there's anything bad with those, but these are literal hotspots. We're a hotspot among the eastern states for enhanced geothermal energy. Through support of our state's Division of Energy, we have developed a detailed interactive map and website to show subsurface temperatures in relation to geological and other features akin to geothermal research. We hope to release this to the public later this month. Also, with the rising interest of earthquakes in the eastern U.S., especially since the Virginia 5.8 magnitude earthquake of August 23rd last year, we have compiled seismic information from several earthquake catalogs and produced a downloadable page-sized map of earthquake epicenters from 1824 to the present, and you can find this map at our booth here. Finally, we are developing ArcGIS server services and applications that will replace our over 90 IMS interactive maps. These maps will use the Esri Flex and JavaScript APIs for web mapping and web feature services. These services can then be consumed by other agencies and the public within their own mapping applications, and we too can then easily utilize mapping services by others in our applications. However, however, one important consumer of some of these services will be the National Geothermal Data System. This 3-year federal initiative, similar to our state's one with the Division of Energy, involves the spearheading efforts of the Arizona Geological Survey via the AASG and the USDOE. It will provide data necessary for geothermal research on a national scale. With strict metadata and templating guidelines, our data will be easily accessible within the NGDS and the rest of the nation. This has just been some of the activity at the survey within the past year or two. I'll be happy to address any questions later. Please feel free to visit our booth, pick up some free maps. We've got lots of them over there. Thank you very much.